1000 LB Sisters star Amanda Halterman unrecognizable. Fans say she's scary skinny. After shocking new pic surfaces, the world of reality television has long been a lens into transformation, emotional, physical, and personal. But few shows have captured the raw vulnerability of life with obesity like TLC's 1000 LB Sisters. Since its premiere, the series has followed the lives of Tammy and Amy Slayton, as well as their siblings, including Amanda Halterman, who joined the series later but quickly became a fan favorite. Known for her bold personality, sharp wit, and protective energy around her sisters, Amanda has always been a powerful presence. But now, a new wave of fan concern is sweeping the internet after a recent photo of Amanda went viral, leaving viewers shocked, confused, and even scared. Amanda Halterman is almost unrecognizable, and fans are using words like scary skinny to describe her jaw-dropping transformation. The image in question, posted on Amanda's now private Instagram story before being screen grabbed by fans, shows the once full-figured reality star in what appears to be a selfie taken inside a car. Dressed casually with minimal makeup, Amanda flashes a peace sign at the camera. But it wasn't the pose or the setting that caught fans off guard, it was her face. Gaunt cheeks, a prominent jawline, and sunken eyes have sparked waves of speculation that Amanda may have taken her weight loss journey too far. She looks like a completely different person, one Reddit user posted in a now viral thread. I had to do a double take. Honestly, I didn't even recognize her at first. Another fan commented, this isn't just weight loss, this is scary. I hope she's okay. She doesn't look healthy. The online frenzy has fueled rumors about Amanda's health, with speculation ranging from eating disorders to medical issues. But as the internet debates the cause behind her dramatic transformation, the deeper question remains, how did Amanda get here? Amanda Halterman's journey with her weight has always been a private struggle until she appeared on 1000 LB Sisters. Viewer first met Amanda in season 3, where she immediately stood out as the straight-shooting, no-nonsense older sister. A former nurse assistant with a tough love attitude, Amanda never hesitated to stand up for her sisters, especially when it came to pushing them toward healthier choices. But she also carried her own burdens. In candid interviews on the show, Amanda spoke openly about her own weight struggles, especially following traumatic life events including the loss of her mother and a difficult divorce. I got lost in grief, Amanda admitted in one episode. And with grief came the weight. I just stopped caring. But somewhere along the line, Amanda began her own transformation, not just physically but emotionally. She started walking more, cutting down on processed foods, and exploring weight loss surgery options. While her exact weight was never publicly disclosed, fans estimated she was well over 300 pounds when she first appeared on the show. In the last 2 seasons, viewers noticed a significant shift in Amanda's appearance. Her face grew slimmer, her energy brighter, and her confidence seemed to soar. Fans cheered her on. Amanda is glowing, one fan posted during season 4. She's such an inspiration. That glow, however, has now been replaced with concern. The recent photo shows Amanda with a strikingly thin frame. Her cheekbones jut out sharply. Her neck appears frail. Fans have begun drawing comparisons to other reality stars who lost weight rapidly under public scrutiny, such as Mama June and even the Slayton sisters themselves. The change is so dramatic that Amanda's own Instagram comment section, before she disabled it, was flooded with AMs of praise, worry, and outright alarm. Some called her gorgeous and applauded her dedication. Others pleaded with her to slow down. Please don't lose yourself in the process, one fan wrote. We love you, Amanda. But your health comes first. While Amanda has yet to respond publicly to the photo or the backlash, sources close to the family have hinted at tension behind the scenes. An insider allegedly told The Sun that Amanda's weight loss has been a solo journey, one that distanced her from some family members. Amanda's really focused on herself these days. She's doing it her way, without cameras, without drama. But it's also left some people worried, the source claimed. TLC has not commented on the matter, and it remains unclear whether Amanda will return for season 6 of 1000 LB Sisters. But her noticeable absence from family TikToks, public outings, and promotional content has only fueled more rumors. Meanwhile, fans are pointing to Amanda's personal life as a possible factor. In the last year, she's hinted at a new relationship, posting cryptic captions and selfies with an unattentive wide man. Others suggest she may be struggling with mental health issues, particularly following the chaotic events of the last season, where tensions between the Slayton siblings reached a boiling point during Tammy's wedding and Amy's post-divorce breakdown. Body image experts have chimed in as well, noting that dramatic weight loss, even when done healthily, can trigger unexpected psychological effects. When people lose a large amount of weight, especially in the public eye, they often face intense pressure to keep going, says Dr. Carla Naven, a clinical psychologist specializing in body image. It can become addictive, and when you're constantly praised for shrinking, it's easy to ignore warning signs, even when your body starts suffering. It's a sentiment echoed by fellow reality star Whitney Waitore, who took to Instagram with a message of solidarity for Amanda. "We are more than our weight. I hope Amanda knows that she is loved at every size," Torre wrote. Sending her strength during this time. Fans have started a supportive hashtag #WellAmanda, urging TLC to check in on the star and offer transparency about her health. "We just want to know she's okay," a fan posted on X, formerly Twitter. "Amanda's been through so much. She deserves peace, not pressure." As of now, Amanda remains silent on the matter, and her social media accounts have gone dark. No posts, no stories, no explanations, just a stunning image that continues to ripple across fan forums and media outlets, forcing a deeper conversation about the cost of transformation, especially under the relentless glare of public attention. In many ways, Amanda Halterman represents what 1000 LB Sisters was always about: resilience, family, struggle, and the pursuit of something better. Her journey, like her sisters, was never meant to be linear or perfect. But this latest chapter feels less like a victory lap and more like a question mark, a pause in the story where fans are left wondering if the price of change has simply become too high. It remains to be seen what Amanda's next move will be. Whether she'll speak out, return to the show, or retreat from the spotlight entirely, one thing is certain: her story has struck a nerve. Not because of a number on a scale, but because of what that number might mean when it comes at the expense of health, happiness, and identity. In a society obsessed with thinness and transformation, Amanda's image serves as a sobering reminder that sometimes, less isn't more, it's just less. And when someone becomes unrecognizable, it's worth asking, are we seeing a glow up, or a cry for help? Until Amanda Halterman breaks her silence, all fans can do is hope, support, and remember why they loved her in the first place, not for how she looked, but for the strength she brought into every room she entered. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.